Yeah, I just got this brand new card. Cost me close to $900. It came out to 1,000 and change. Bigger than the last one that I had. I kind of, I was doing the mining with my game computer, and that, the video card when I bought that shit was 1,100, and I kind of killed it because those things are running 24/7. So I went and I just bought this one. Oh, and I killed my motherboard and my game computer too. So I got this card. I got this motherboard. I forgot to buy the how you call this shit? I always forget these shits. Those things right there. Those. So the RAMs. But I have 4, so I'm using that. I'm gonna buy RAM this week for it. I did an upgrade in the fan. Got a bigger fan with double. I was gonna do that one right there, but I like this one better. So both are connected to the motherboard. My case is over there. I got an NTO that I gotta take the motherboard out of there and place it with this one. I upgraded the power supply. It's 1,000. This thing pulls a lot of current, and the 850 wasn't doing it with all my fans and everything on. So I upgraded to 1,000 watts. It's running great. And I was surprised the motherboard took the hard drive from the other computer without no problem. I like the motherboard. It's great. This will be a great motherboard for mining. It has a lot of PSIe slots. So anyway, I'm gonna say I got those without working. I got my Wally and the other one doing the shit. I just not gonna bother with these. So I'm just gonna keep this going. I'm gonna upgrade the RAMs this week. I'm gonna get them. I already ordered them. The video card, I just finished doing the update. Don't mind the mess I got in my counter. I love building shit, so I love this thing. So